another video. My last video was on red color, and this video today is going to be doing an orange color. So that's what I am preparing to do right now. I have my cape on. I'm gonna go ahead and do a bleach bath first to try to get all of this red out of my hair. It's not too much left in there, but I kind of want to make sure that it's all out. And then I also kind of want to lighten it a little bit, just so that orange will show through a little bit. I'm not gonna lighten it a lot because since my hair does pull red, it will kind of be a little orangey anyways. So let me go ahead and mix this stuff for the bleach bath. If you have not seen my bleach bath, I believe I have a video on it. If I don't, leave a comment below and I'll do a video on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'll come back after my bleach bath, or after I apply my bleach bath, and just kind of let you all see how it's working. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so as you can see, this red the red just stains your hair really bad. So I really wanted to go blonde, but I'm glad I decided to do the orange first. Maybe that'll help it a little bit because it's going to be hard for this to come out. So I did the bleach bath because I do have a relaxer. It has been it's been about a month since I've had my relaxer, but I wanted to do the bleach bath because I knew it wasn't going to be as harmful to my hair. And I really just want to get this red off. So we're going to see what it does. I still don't want to leave it on too long. We're going to see how much I can get off, and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply the orange to it. And I'm using the same type of product that I used in the last video, the Pravana Chroma Silk Vivids color, and it's the orange. And so I've been wanting orange for a while, so we're gonna see what happens. Not sure how it's gonna turn out because this is really red. But it does kind of look like an orangish color, so I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. And then I'm gonna rinse it out with my neutralizing shampoo, and I will come back right before I rinse it out. Okay, y'all, so I'm not playing with this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. This color is kind of a look though, so we're gonna take it off. We'll see how it looks once I've taken this off. I just want to hurry up and get it off. Just want to make sure my hair is okay, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have rinsed it out with the neutralizing. It's already kind of orange, so I think this is how it's probably gonna look. This is pretty bright. I haven't been bright in a while, so I hope that this got me to where I need to be, but I feel like it needs to be a little bit lighter in order for us to be able to really see the orange color. But we're just gonna go ahead with it. I feel like this is how it's probably gonna look. But since I just put that chemical in my hair, I'm gonna use this Olaplex system today. So I'm gonna go ahead and so I did the neutralizing shampoo. I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo with my moisturizing, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the Olaplex maintenance. And I'll be back, guys, whenever I am ready to apply the color. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I'm so tired today. It's been a long day. Been on my feet all day, and I done put in my shampoo. I have conditioned it. I have set it in a hydration machine, and I just totally forgot. So I went back and just kind of put some shampoo on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this color. As you can see, it is already kind of orangey, so I think it's only really gonna just kind of tone it, and I think there are gonna be like some different variations. So we're gonna see how this comes out. And I'm just gonna apply it. I'm just gonna put it in my hand, apply it that way. You seen my other video, make sure you go ahead and watch it. The last video was my first time using this, so I did the red. This is orange, the other one was red. You can use conditioner to apply it if it's in between salon visits. I'm gonna apply it because I want to get the full. I don't want it to be concentrated any. All right, so you can open the top this way using the back of the top and light the red. This is And so my camera, I'm using my iPad today, so it might look like I'm like looking the other way, but I'm not trying to. I was trying to look straight at the camera, but just in case you guys are wondering why I'm looking the opposite way. But this is it. It's like super orange, y'all. And it almost looks like it's like a reddish orange, but let's see. Oh, y'all, it's gonna be orange. It's gonna be orange, y'all. I probably should have applied it with the brush. That probably would have been the smartest thing to do. That's how I applied my red. And I hope this is not going to be difficult to come off when I get ready to do my blonde. Alright, so the other one, last time I used about an ounce. For this one, I'm going to do the same. Working it in a little bit, and then I'm gonna just let it sit for about 20 minutes. And actually I am gonna go ahead and put my conditioner back on here, that way I don't have to do all that when I get done. So I'm just using the Olaplex number 5, and I got this set from Ulta. I think I saw it on Amazon as well. If you like Ulta for your points, make sure you use Ulta. If you're Amazon, you get everything from Amazon. Try it on Amazon. I'll put the link. If I can find it on Amazon, I'll put the link in the description. So I use my Silk Infusion and just kind of mix that together. I only have one glove on, so I'm trying to do this with one hand. But let me just go ahead and apply this. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish working this in, and then I'm going to go ahead and let it process for the amount of time for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then when I rinse it, I'll come back. Alright y'all, so this right here is what it looks like. In the light, it's all like, it just looks like different variations of color. I think once it dries, I think it is gonna actually be nice. On this side, it does look a little bit more orange. It's kind of look like a reddish orange over here. So I'm not sure if it's the light or what, but I guess we're gonna see when it actually dries. And I'm gonna do like I normally do. I'm just going to go ahead and mold it. I have other videos where I've molded my hair. Make sure you check them out. So I'm not gonna repeat it on video again and have you guys sit and watch it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mold my hair and just let it dry overnight. When I come back in the morning, I will already have it trimmed. I'm gonna also cut my sides down. I think it's actually time for relaxing. See curls rolling up. And then I might do another little design over here. We'll see. how I feel. But so I'll see you guys. It's gonna be the next day when I come back. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and we're gonna see the finished product. Also, this was not as messy as the red. The red was like super messy. So I am liking the orange better already, and I don't think it looks too bad. I think it's giving me a look. It have a little bit of edge to it, and you know, I wasn't expecting to be so bright, but you know, I'll see how long I'm gonna rock it. We'll see what the finished product looks like. So guys, thank you so much for staying at least until this point. Make sure you guys continue to watch and stay to the end, and make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Make sure you go ahead and like this video. That helps other people to be able to see videos like mine. Definitely appreciate your support, and I will be back with you guys. Hopefully I won't be so tired. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with my hair dry, trimmed, all that, and molded, and getting ready for the curl. So I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I am back. It's the next day, and it actually came out. Let me try to pull this light up. It looks kind of like a reddish orange to me, but now that I'm in the light, I do kind of see a little bit more orange. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can see. It does look a little bit more orange now that I put it in the light. But it's very, very, very vibrant, as you can see. So I am gonna go ahead and go through the normal process. I'm going to blow dry. Since I did use the chemical, I'm gonna use the Olaplex oil mixed with my keratin, and the rest of what I normally use. So I'm gonna probably speed it up. Oh, one more thing. I have this new red pencil iron. It was the smallest iron I could find. I seen a few reviews on it, and it pretty much seemed like they're pretty good reviews for an inexpensive iron. So I'm gonna use it to grab these short pieces in the back. So you'll see me switching out irons with my other new iron that you saw in my last video. So make sure you guys go ahead and stay tuned, and I will come back to you with the finished product. Okay guys, so I am done. Pretty much the same kind of style I always do. So like I said, I just curled it all over and styled it. I do need to relax on the sides and the back, and this is grown in from the design, but we are here for the color. So trying to get here in the light. It looks more like a reddish orange to me. But it's very, 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 very vibrant. So here's the finished product. Alright, and it's kind of not good weather outside today, so not going to be able to get natural light. But I hope I was able to kind of give you what we were looking for. And I think once I actually rinse the color out as I shampoo it, it's probably going to get more to like a more orangey color. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do some little shorts in between, and then we all can see. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you continue to support me. I really appreciate your support. I want to bring more videos to you. If you have anything that you want to try and you haven't tried yet, like I said, leave me a comment below and I'll be glad to try it. Thank you so much again. Stay safe and healthy out there. Continue to be blessed. Until then, I will see you next time. You know what it is. Peace.